Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm going to be showing you the new look for the client profile. The client profile has received a complete makeover, making it more visually appealing and providing a more comprehensive view of client information. Here on the overview page, you can see this book button, which allows you to book a class event, appointment, or asset for the client, as well as this make a purchase button, which will bring you directly to the online store. These two buttons are now next to the client's profile picture for easier access. There are new cards added to the overview page, allowing you to stay informed on the client's notes, on their tasks, on their forms, and on the client groups that they're currently in. Notice from these new cards, you can easily add a new note for this client, you can add a new task, add a new form, and you can also add the client to a client group right from these cards on the overview page. In addition, we made it easier for you to view a client's recently bought purchase options here under Active Purchase Options, along with being able to view their upcoming and past 3 visits. And finally, on the Profile Details page, you now have the ability to edit a client's relationship. So we can see here that our client Damon has a relationship with Dale Hill. With this 3-dot menu, you can change the relationship type, where you can select from a drop-down if you want to change that relationship type, or you can remove the relationship altogether. In addition, I could click Add Relationship if I needed to add an additional relationship. And that's it for this video on the updated look for the overview and profile details page of the client profile. Thank you so much for watching.